So this is just an interview for the newspaper. I just have a couple of questions.
Mr. Gray will see you now.
What was he like?
He was polite.
Intense, smart, really intimidating. Do you have any interests outside of work?
What about you? I'd like to know more about you.
There's really not much to know about me. Look at me.
I am.
To what do you owe your success?
I exercise control in all things, Miss Steele.
It must be really boring.
Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now.
I'm incapable of leaving you alone.
Then don't.
Crazy right now. Your touch
I had a rough start in life. You should steer clear of me.
got me hoping you save me right now. Your kiss got
I don't
me
do
hoping you save
romance.
me right now. Looking so great.
My tastes are very
Got me
singular.
looking, got me
You wouldn't
looking so
understand.
crazy.